We have also spoken to a large number of people in the government. Many have joined us during the day. Some we spoke to earlier. So we were talking about the railways a short while back and the crucial role that the railways has to play in any sort of cleanliness, both from the point of view of cleaning up the railways itself, but also the tracks. So I spoke to Suresh Prabhu about this just a couple of days back. He, in fact, also one of the NDTV nominees. And this is what Suresh Prabhu had to say to us. Well, we're very lucky to have with us the Railways Minister, Mr. Suresh Prabhu. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, as you know, sir, Mr. Narendra Modi has started this entire Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and cleaning up India. He's asking for nominees. So we were nominated by Priyanka Chopra, and we have to pick 9 people whom we can nominate to really try and make an impact on cleaning up the country. So you are going to be one of our 9 nominees because we think that you personally, of course, but also as Railways Minister, the impact you can make on sanitation and cleanliness is massive.
No, in fact, I'll tell you frankly, our Prime Minister has identified the right theme. You know, this is a very paradoxical situation that we are so hygienic, clean at home, but we just don't bother, we just litter things outside. And you know, this has a huge impact on many other issues. If you can improve our hygiene, it will have a huge impact on human development indices. India's ranking, which ranks so low, sometimes even below Bangladesh, will improve dramatically if you do this. Number 2, it has a huge impact on economy because the moment we are keeping our cities better, so many tourists will like to come to India, and that will add to a lot of economic activity. Every tourist brings in 10, 15 people.
But let me come to something which is directly in your hands now, the railways. And the reason why I think this is particularly important is we're talking about open defecation. Look at the number of carriages that there are, where there's still open defecation. I mean, if you look at the Indian railway lines, most of them are like an open toilet. They're really, really filthy. And the conditions inside those toilets are bad. The conditions in the stations are bad. What can you do about this?
So this is a very important issue. In fact, I would feel that I'm not even justified in saying that what I'm doing, because this is something where, of course, I've been in office only for a few days. But I personally feel that I'm changing it, starting new bio-toilets, making sure that I called RDSA, that is the Research and Development Organization of Railways, with all the scientific organizations of India, which includes Science and Technology Organization, IITs and others, and giving this as a challenge. Give me a low-cost option to make sure that I can convert all this into where no defecation will ever happen and everything will get captured. So bio-toilet is a good option, but a little expensive.